Date of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the September 21, 2024 governorship election in the South State. The appellate court held that it found no reason to dislodge the May 15 judgment of the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, which validated the declaration of Governor Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress (APC) as winner of the gubernatorial contest. In its immediate response, the PDP said the verdict of the appellate court will be contested at the Supreme Court. At the poll last September, Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress (APC) secured 291,667 votes to defeat PDP's Ighodalo, who got 247,274 votes, and Olumide Akpata of the Labour Party, who came as a distant third in the race with 22,763 votes. The APC candidates declared over 10 of the 18 local government areas, leaving the PDP candidate with marginal victory in the other local councils.
Clearly, the appeal was dismissed. Do we agree with the judgment? Of course not. We think even the judges, especially when they started talking, taking out their eyes from what they wrote, you could see some elements of bias in what they were saying. However, we would request that our members stay calm. We will get the CTC. The lawyers will advise. The lawyers will go through it. We will go through it. And nothing stops us from heading to the Supreme Court. And there are so many grounds for the appeal to the Supreme Court. So finally, we wish to tell our members, let the hope keep.
So it's right to say you're appealing the judgment?
We are appealing the judgment.
Thank you very much.
I want to thank God Almighty that made this possible. And I also want to thank the Court of Appeal for their in-depth judgment today. This is not a news to us in Edo. But Edo people voted for Monday Okpebholo-led administration. And all these distractions would have been avoided. But at this point, I want to call on my elder brother, Anselm Ighodalo, to embrace this judgment. And let's come together as one family to develop Edo. That's what we stand for. But I will not stop without congratulating my principal, the Executive Governor of Edo State, as Senator Monday Okpebholo, and the amazing people of Edo who voted for us. Congratulations to all of you.
We saw the erudition with which the Court of Appeal dismissed the appeal against the tribunal judgment of 2nd April against the Edo State governorship election. Now, we now have a double victory. Governor Monday Okpebholo has again been victorious in this appeal. And the Court of Appeal has aptly captured it by saying that their petition in the first instance lacked merit, as they did not prove their case of overvoting and no compliance with the Electoral Act. It means at this point in time, even though another window is still open to the Supreme Court, the two lower courts now have concurrently held that the election of Governor Monday Okpebholo is unassailable and upheld at this point in time. It's victory for Edo State, it's victory for the All Progressive Congress, and it's victory for democracy in Edo State.
The unanimous decision of the appeal court today, they enumerated a lot of issues and said, how can a petitioner say that an election should be nullified? One breath. In another breath, they are saying that they should be declared a winner. And that it was a mere academic exercise. And so the appeal was dismissed on the merits. And I said it before this time that the issue of beavers were mainly, they came and dumped beavers at the tribunal. Though the tribunal, at their wisdom, were admitted. But the Court of Appeal, in the cross appeal of the governor, they upheld the cross appeal and threw away those beavers as lacking many, and they threw them away. We're happy today.